And do you like hot chocolate? You really like you know what? They love hot chocolate. But this is not just for the kids. This hot chocolate is for when the kids go to bed, for us, okay? But you can also make it for them because it's semi-healthy. How about that, hey?
Yes.
All right.
Can I have a try?
You can definitely have a try. So what I like to use for hot chocolate to make it really chocolatey but not too much caffeine, especially for the kids, I like to use carob powder as well as cocoa powder. So in here I've got carob powder and cocoa powder mixed together, and that way you're still getting the depth and the real strong chocolatey flavour but not having to use too much cocoa because you don't want the kids to be like wired in the end. So do you want to put that in there? Okay, so do you want me to help you? Oh yeah. Now at the bottom of this pot, I've got just a little bit of water and I've boiled it, like, so it's been on the pot while we've been talking. And I did that so I can, oh, that wasn't enough. I'm just gonna put some milk. Now I'm just gonna mix that through until it's smooth, so to get all the lumps out of it. Okay, it makes it so easy when you do that. Thank you. Okay, so I've just added a little bit of milk. There was water at the bottom of that pot, and I've mixed the cocoa and carob powder in, so now all the lumps are out. Now once all the lumps are out, whoa, we can put the rest in. So what's this? This in here has a pinch of cayenne pepper and cinnamon. So a pinch of cayenne pepper and cinnamon. I had a lovely lady come to our house recently and she said, Gia, put some cayenne pepper in your hot chocolate. It is really tasty. Put that in there. Good work. What have we got there? So now I'm just adding a touch more milk. Now the rest of the ingredients is honey. Honey. Local honey is really good because it's pollinating in the area that you're in, okay? And it's just a pinch of salt, and now we're gonna put the milk in and mix it. Can you mix it? Soy milk or oat milk is quite creamy. So now all we're gonna do is let it simmer on a medium-low heat, and once it's brought to the boil, then we can try it. Okay, so once it starts to bubble, you don't want it to overboil because it's a plant milk, so it doesn't need too much boiling. Once it starts to bubble, which it will do in just a second, we are going to turn it off. We are ready to go. Now, I've got some really good treat for us when we have our hot chocolate, and I'll show you what I do.
No, you forgot it.
No, we haven't forgotten it. So we pour the hot, look at that, that is awesome. Yes, but guess what we're going to do first? First, what we're going to do is we are going to add some coconut whip. It's basically just coconut cream, which I've whipped. It's just coconut cream, and we put it in the fridge overnight, and then we take it out and we whip it. Okay. So you dollop the coconut cream on top, and this is just going to make it extra creamy. You want to put some chocolate on top for me? Alrighty, thank you. There you have it. Hot chocolate for the whole family with whipped coconut cream on top.
Oh, don't forget salt.
No, we don't need salt in this. It's all done. Okay? Say bye to everyone.
Bye.
Bye.